Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there. Thank you. I appreciate your support for my channel Best Inspiration Kitchen. Today I will prepare an ultimate lunch. I will prepare courgette cake, light fried courgette cake. So let's do it together. We'll start our recipe. I will take my courgette or zucchini. Yes, this is the courgette. Carrot. Yes, also the carrot. We add it here. That's it. Both carrot and courgette. I will put them here. I will add some salt. We want to take out the water. Just add like salt. Now I will use our cheese, mozzarella, and if you don't halloumi cheese, it's better. But for me, my fridge, today I have just mozzarella cheese. This like that. Because we want to take those water now. You see? Yes, that's it. Now we take our courgette and carrots, put them here. Perfect. Add cheese. A little bit cheesy. Perfect. Add 2 eggs. That. And the second one. Perfect. Like that. We'll add it here. Perfect. Now I will add some oatmeal to have this magic mix. Perfect. That's oregano, perfume it, and some fresh thyme. Yeah, beautiful perfume. I have a little bit dill and parsley. So together, we'll chop them together. Perfect. Here we are. Some pepper. A little bit salt. Perfect. Now mix it perfectly. That will make all my hamburger. Perfect. Just do it like that, like a hamburger. Perfect. And so here they are ready. I will put them in the fridge for 20 minutes. Like that, I will have a beautiful texture. So see you later. Time to cook this beautiful cake, courgette cake. A little bit olive oil, just a little bit, gently, like that. Okay, here, what to cook? That you see, perfect, perfect, beautiful. Gently turn them off. Don't worry. Here the smell wonderful. Now time to prepare dressing. I need chopped garlic, some parsley. We'll add olive oil, a bit olive oil, salt, season with pepper. Now, some more oil, a bit. It's okay. Now, perfect. Beautiful. Yes, perfect. The courgette cake are ready. Beautiful. Now, time to serve. You will really like it. Wow. So, now, we're looking for some shallot rings. Beautiful like that. And some tomato, cherry tomato. I love the sweetness of this cherry tomato. Really, it's perfect. And it will be also a perfect combination with this cake. So I'll take one cake here. And the third one. Beautiful. We'll add here rings. This one also, and this is a perfect lunch, vegetarian lunch, as I said before. You will really love it. Try it at home and give me feedback. See you next time, another video, another ultimate recipe, and bye bye.